Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ruji's Food Masti. Today I will be sharing a recipe of semolina toast. So without further delay, let's start cooking. For semolina toast, you require very few ingredients and those are readily available in the pantry. We will start with 1/4 cup of semolina. The semolina is not roasted, it is raw one. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of tomato, finely chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of orange bell pepper, again finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of yellow bell pepper. You can use green bell pepper also, you can use any vegetable of your choice, you can use carrots, sweet corn, baby corn, but it should be finely chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of green chili. If you are making it for kids, then avoid green chili. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. For binding, add 2 tablespoons of well-whisked yogurt. Add salt to taste. Now mix everything well till it is well combined. Now the mixture is well combined. We will spread it on the slice of bread. Spread it evenly and uniformly and apply a very thin layer. We do not want a very thick layer. Once you make the mixture ready, do not keep it for a longer time because the vegetables and the salt will start leaving moisture. I have applied a thin layer on the slice of bread. Sprinkle some sesame seeds, black and white sesame seeds on the top of the slice of the bread. Similarly, make the other bread slices ready. Now the bread slices are ready to be toasted. The pan is nice and hot. I have heated the pan on medium heat. Slightly apply butter on it. If you find your mixture is very thin, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of semolina to get the right consistency. While toasting the slice, the side on which you have applied the stuffing, you have to put it down. Toast it on slow to medium flame. Apply little butter on the other side and press it gently. Do not toast it on high flame. You can use oil also to toast the bread, but butter gives a better flavor. You have to press it gently while it is being toasted. It will take 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Now we will flip it and let's toast the other side also for 3 to 5 minutes till it is well browned. Now 3 minutes are over. The other side is also well browned. I will show you. So we will take it out, keep it on a cooling rack. If you want to pack it for tiffin, then ensure that it has cooled down properly, otherwise it will turn soggy. This mixture is sufficient for 4 slices of bread and you can use bread of your choice. You can use brown bread also, multigrain bread also. I am using white bread. Similarly, we will do the other 2 slices. Apply some butter on the pan again. The side on which we have put the stuffing will go down. Our crispy semolina toast is ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, happy cooking. Take care. Bye-bye.